The human ear, a marvel of biological engineering, is more than just an organ of hearing. Hidden deep within the skull, the inner ear plays a crucial role in our auditory perception and balance. This intricate labyrinth transforms sound waves into electrical signals, allowing us to perceive the world around us. Beyond hearing, the inner ear also houses our vestibular system, responsible for our sense of balance and spatial orientation. The inner ear, a complex structure resembling a maze carved into the temporal bone, houses two main components, the cochlea and the vestibular system. The cochlea, a spiral-shaped cavity, is responsible for hearing. It contains specialized hair cells that convert sound vibrations into electrical signals, which are then transmitted to the brain via the auditory nerve. The vestibular system, on the other hand, comprises three semicircular canals and two otolith organs, utricle and saccule. The semicircular canals, arranged at right angles to each other, detect rotational movements of the head. These canals are filled with a fluid called endolymph. When the head rotates, the endolymph within these canals moves, bending hair cells lining the canals and generating nerve impulses. This information is then sent to the brain, allowing us to perceive our body's rotation and maintain balance. The utricle and saccule, the two otolith organs, detect linear acceleration and head tilts. These organs contain tiny calcium carbonate crystals called otoconia. When the head moves linearly or tilts, the otoconia shift, stimulating hair cells beneath them. This stimulation generates nerve impulses that travel to the brain, providing information about our head's position relative to gravity. The vestibular system's intricate design allows us to navigate our environment, maintain balance, and coordinate our movements. It works in tandem with our visual and proprioceptive systems, providing the brain with a comprehensive picture of our body's position and motion in space. The interplay of these systems ensures our stability and allows us to perform complex movements with precision. The cochlea, the other crucial component of the inner ear, is a marvel of acoustic engineering. Resembling a snail shell with 2.5 turns, it houses the organ of Corti, the sensory organ responsible for hearing. Within the cochlea, sound vibrations travel along the basilar membrane, causing it to vibrate. These vibrations stimulate hair cells attached to the basilar membrane, generating electrical signals that are transmitted to the brain via the auditory nerve. The basilar membrane is not uniform in structure. Its base is narrow and stiff, responding best to high-frequency sounds, while its apex is wider and more flexible, responding best to low-frequency sounds. This tonotopic organization of the basilar membrane allows us to differentiate between various pitches of sound. The brain interprets these signals, allowing us to perceive the rich tapestry of sound in our environment. Disorders of the inner ear can significantly impact our hearing and balance, affecting our overall quality of life. Conditions like Meniere's disease, characterized by episodes of vertigo, hearing loss, and tinnitus, can disrupt daily life. Age-related hearing loss, or presbycusis, is another common condition affecting the inner ear, leading to gradual hearing loss over time. Infections, trauma, and certain medications can also damage the delicate structures of the inner ear, leading to hearing and balance problems. Treatment for inner ear disorders varies depending on the underlying cause and severity of the condition. Medications can help manage symptoms like vertigo and tinnitus. In some cases, surgery may be necessary to repair damaged structures or to implant devices like cochlear implants, which can restore hearing in individuals with severe hearing loss. Early diagnosis and intervention are crucial in managing inner ear disorders and minimizing their impact on daily life. Ongoing research into the inner ear promises new treatments for hearing loss and balance disorders. Scientists are exploring gene therapy, stem cell therapy, and drug delivery systems to regenerate damaged hair cells. Advancements in imaging techniques allow for precise diagnosis and monitoring of inner ear conditions. Researchers are developing new generations of hearing aids and cochlear implants for better sound quality. The intricate world of the inner ear continues to intrigue scientists.